Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. We're doing August 2025, Part 1 for D&D Warhammer Proxy and also figures as well for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon and Discord. And let's get started. All the links for this will be down on the description below as well. So we got Azerma as a figure. Let's see here. Let's go to post. So August model, we have it's not Ursa, I believe. Mega means done. Forgot the character's name. I know it's from high school DxD. August. Guest model. Penny Parker. So this is their version of the thing that's happening. I think that's for July 28th. Wow. I guess they don't have a lot of stuff like to show. Well, this is 2 months loyalty. I think she's from Street Fighter. That's for high school DSD. That's is out of that the University of Heroes, Hero Academia. There we go. Is your past spots, and this is your welcome package. It will be 7 of them. Next is Neko figurine. So this is the current month. You're gonna get the Demon Hunter. Well, I haven't watched that anime yet. Expedition 33. Still haven't played it yet. That kind of looked like Zelda, but I don't think it is Zelda. Um, so I don't know. And the current month is a question mark for that. Let's see here. No, there you go. Kethothea from Wormling Wave. I don't think I have to. There you go. That's gonna come up for this coming month. Peach figures. Let's see here. We have let's see here. Previous month and the future month. So this is the future month right here. And we have also solo leveling from Lion Studio. That's going to be coming in as well. Let's see what we got. Let's collab. July and June. Oh, so this is June. Was July for it. But for August, if it loads up, people voted for August yet. I don't see it. So I'm guessing this would be your August one. We got Eve from Stellar Blade, one from The Incredibles, probably from a VTuber. Do not know what this character is. I wish I was knowledgeable for a lot of the figurines in anime. Current project, Kuru figure is on the left. We got one of the girl from Zero Zone's Endless, the flamethrower girl. I think this is the new character that added in, or is that one of the other anime horse game that they just got out on their phone? I don't know. But we have this for our recent project as well. That was from June. This was not done yet. This is the Nero Automata Brother, something like that. Got a model swap as well. Looks like it. Tension figure, another figurine as well. This is the August. We got Joker, Eve wearing 2B outfit. We have the collab for Kill La Kill. And your welcome pack. This is the July one right here as well. Remy Sculpt. I think they're taking a break this month. I guess not for August. So this is for the August one. So Dorky Bird from Indy, Virginia from Unicorn Overlord. Hopefully it'll be really good. Made Mint. Do not know where that hell's from. Independent. So I guess someone paid to make it. Ignari figurine. This is July Rupee and Iris. And this Nora in Baltimore is June. I don't know if we're having. So we have a new welcome update for that's coming with it. So we have the Sexy Peach, one of the VTubers. We got Gardevoir. I believe that's the Pokemon name. And Xian as well. August figure model is ERB from Hololive EN. So that's what you'll be looking for this month. July release, the VTuber Silver Val. August one is Matara Ken from EN VTuber August model. And this is your welcome pack. I don't watch a lot of the. I think this is the insect VTuber. I see like clips of it on TikTok and so forth. I'm just not really big into people doing. I tried doing VTubing and it was horrible. And I could have get it done a lot better if I paid someone and made me a nice model. But another project for our time. Waifu Studio. This is not safe for work and also so far as well. If you're interested, you can go take a look yourself. Print that ever goes on. The 70% of everything else of their birthday sale. If you want Lord of the Ring proxy game for like Games Workshop or use it for D&D, this is which one you will want to do. We have the Elderwood Elves over here. You also probably use proxy for this for different other Warhammer games. You got Dead Elves and Prism spells on the left as well. So they're mostly like Lord of the Rings stuff. They do and a lot of stuff for D&D as well. Yashiki Kojin Studio. This is like D&D models. For August, we got Arcane Loth. These guys are very interesting. They're they're chaotic neutral, I believe. I forgot. It's a different type of demon, but they pursue mostly knowledge, and they're pretty cool to use. And you know, I never really used a lot of demons that was made in the Player's Monster Manual. Nutshell Alter is a figure as well. For this one, it's the After Wonder Festival Career 2025. New pose. This is the July one that they were doing. I don't think they have anything out for August yet. But keep your eyes peeled. Loach Mecha Studio, they just released Savannah. And it looks pretty damn good in my opinion. For a pinup. I really wish they made a bustier version of her. I bet there is, but we'll see. They do a lot of World of Warcraft figure pinup. Nurkson is probably another figure one as well. This is the August one that they made. It's a barbarian woman attacking diorama. Yeah, and that was for the August one right there. See here, my Heroes Infinite by Raging Heroes. We'll be watching the video for this. This is a lot of good Warhammer proxy. They got a lot of Cyberpunk in here if you guys are interested as well. So we got the Necrons, and we got the kind of like a Necromunda style, but it's mostly like Cyberpunk for it. It's kind of cool, but they make the Necron looks like more like Predator kind of style. They're more like the Egyptian. And my cats are just making a mess. Cherry, get your butt down. She's cool. The Powerfist. It's like these Necrons are like Anubis. Probably use some of these as your Fallout games too, if you play the Fallout board game. I do like the nurse a lot. Yeah, you probably use a lot of these Necromunda characters for it. That's kind of cool, like a metallic Egyptian style machines. It's like their version of the Dreadnought troops. Void Watcher and the Amazing Centerpiece. That looks awesome. Overlord, Tomb Wardens. Yeah, different version of bikers as well. Yeah, that's pretty good. Can't go wrong with a lot of these things. Oh, it's a big ass ship. Is that the one that pulls out the robots in the sides for that proxy version as well? I like it. I like it a lot. I always like Hero Infinite. They always have some pretty cool design. Arch Villain is also really good as well. But yeah, you get your walls and everything. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.